Menta perlokan warak sepi ke kubur. Waju Iohi Khamenei yaki plan sniew ke Amerika. Tong ini sengam. Supreme leader ke Iran Artatien nya gejingmut jing perkat ke Amerika. Halor ke jing keren nuklear. Supreme leader Ali Khamenei. Uang ke Iran ke itang ya ke ega sniew. Siapang ki plan ke Amerika. Khamenei penpau ya gejing seluruh ke jing yang jong ke Iran. Halor ke jing keren ke bernyat.
حرکتی تصمیم گیری شده داره اجرا میشه و در این قدم های اول هم خوب حرکت شده، خوب اجرا شده. بعد از این هم بایستی کاملا با دقت دنبال بشه. خطوط قرمز مشخصه، برای طرف مقابل هم مشخصه، برای ما هم مشخصه و دنبال بشه مذاکرات به شکل خوب. ممکنه به نتیجه برسه، ممکنه نرسه. به طرف مقابل البته خیلی بدبین طرف مقابل رو قبول نداریم، میشناسیم طرف مقابل، اما به توانایی خودمون خوشبین هستیم، میدونیم که ما خیلی کارا میتونیم.
Ka Iran berka Amerika ki pelong ya kawat ke baar jong jeng keren indirect halor ke nuclear program ke barem. Sajisin ka rioman kan salong ka jakaban pelong ya kawat ke baar jong jeng keren indirect hakakat kan tarik April hanong ba muskan. Baro artileri ka Iran ban Amerika ki ong ba. Kawat ka banikong jong jeng keren kaya Jepang. Walada ka jeng keren jong ka Iran ban Amerika ka yajben. Katan rai jong ka jeng kanat ka klempau dak AA bakin don ka jeng esok. Kisngi menshwa. Upresen ka Amerika ukam ka Iran kala don hatmit ban China nuclear weapon. Donald Trump sa isin berngam bantar bom ya ke Iran lada ka pep ka nuclear deal ke tmai.
Well, they have to solve their problem very quickly. Iran wants to deal with us, but they don't know how. They really don't know how. We had a meeting with them on Saturday. We have another meeting scheduled next Saturday. I said, that's a long time. You know, that's a long time. So I think they might be tapping us along. But Iran has to get rid of the concept of a nuclear weapon. They cannot have a nuclear weapon. He can't have a nuclear weapon. Nobody can have. We can't have anybody having nuclear weapons. You know, we can't have nuclear weapons. And I think they're tapping us along because we're so used to dealing with stupid people in this country. And I had Iran perfect. You had no attacks. You would have never had October 7th in Israel, the attack by Hamas. Because Iran was broke. They were stone cold broke when I was president. And I don't want to do it. I want them to be a rich, great nation. The only thing is, one thing, simple. It's really simple. They can't have a nuclear weapon. And they got to go fast. Because they're fairly close to having one. And they're not going to have one. And if we have to do something very harsh, we'll do it. And I'm not doing it for us. I'm doing it for the world. And these are radicalized people, and they cannot have